I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next.
Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you things that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I had a budget of $50 to decorate my home, and I was like, I'm gonna share this with my subscribers in case they want to check out Dollar Tree. So I want to show you guys first what Dollar Tree looks like at the moment. So there was a small section for fall, but most of it had a lot of Halloween DIYs. And I was looking for pillows, for carpets, but I really couldn't find anything that was fall themed. But I did see these cute pumpkins, and I think they look so beautiful. I think you can even have them around during Christmas. Since everything was $1, it was very tempting of me to just start putting things inside the cart. And I got these clear buckets, which I didn't use, but I think they're perfect. I think these are great, like if you want to add ice to them, if you're having a gathering of some sort. They had beautiful flowers at Dollar Tree. I really like the fact that I was able to mix and match them so that I could just bring in the fall colors into my home. I also picked up clear bases for them that are made out of glass, but I think they're just very beautiful. And as you guys can see, and as I told you in the beginning, the colors in my kitchen and in my entire home are neutral, like that. When I add any type of color or any type of accent, everything just stands out. Now I want to show you guys the cookies that I picked up. These are very yummy. I'm not gonna lie to you, they actually taste really good in my opinion, and they are perfect. They come in a little box. There are 3 cookies inside, and then what you can do is that maybe you can get 2 boxes so that there's 6 cookies, and so that you can display more of them. I did make more than 1 floral arrangement, and I also picked up this little melting, I don't know what they're called, but it's like you just put a little candle in the bottom and then you put the scent of your choice, which I picked up all of this at Dollar Tree, and your entire home is just going to pick up on a delicious aroma. This decoration theme that I did it because we are eventually going to transition into Halloween and then into Thanksgiving. So I wanted for this to be the first layer that I was going to add on to my house. And I concentrated it on the place where we spend the most time, which is the kitchen and in my living room. And also I wanted to share that I am obsessed with Clorox wipes. I think that they are the perfect way of just cleaning my sink. Also in my bathroom, I also picked up this little frame which you can actually hang on the wall. These are so gorgeous, and I am obsessed with these little baskets. I am actually working on my pantry. That's going to be an upcoming video. But these baskets I think are so pretty. They're so delicate, but at the same time, they just look so elegant. So I really like this recipe, and it's very simple. It's just such a cozy recipe. All you're gonna need are eggs, the mixture, and oil. You are going to mix everything together. Once you're done, you are going to place it inside an oven-safe container, and you are going to put it in the oven. And then the frosting that you guys are seeing, I actually just glided that on top. I bought that at Dollar Tree as well, and it was just perfect. Then I also found these super cute little containers, and oh my god, do they look incredible. So I hope that you loved this video and that you found inspiration. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you do so before you go. Like I told you, I upload twice a week, and I want to leave you better than how I found you or how you found me by sharing a quote with you that says, "Perhaps this is what this season is all about, trusting in the unknowns, finding gold in the little things, trading fear of what's uncertain for freedom to thrive within." And I hope that you have the best week. I will see you very soon here. Take care. Bye.